resistance is one of the biggest factors affecting a truck's fuel consumption in long-haul operations. For this reason, the new Volvo FH has been updated with the following 4 features to improve its overall aerodynamics even more. New seals eliminate split lines and gaps in the front of the vehicle. Extended door extensions fill the void in the front step. A reduced gap between the fender flare and wheel when using wide front tyres. Redesigned curve-shaped mirror arm covers with smaller peak holes. Combined, these improvements mitigate leakage flows, create a more aligned flow along the vehicle sides, reduce interference drag, improve the vehicle's energy efficiency, and ultimately help you save fuel.